A steep surface trough is set to bring stormy conditions from Friday night into this weekend over the central and eastern regions of South Africa. Into Saturday, a band of showers with thunderstorms stretching here over the interior, with a few of those storms likely becoming severe, and then the probability of storms stretching a little bit more northeastwards into Sunday. A few of those storms could also result in hail or a quick heavy downpour. So here's the details. Let's have a closer look at Friday, where we've got an onshore flow still bringing in isolated showers for KwaZulu-Natal, and also a southerly breeze bringing lots of cloud showers for the lowvelds, and shower conditions expected along the eastern escarpment there in Limpopo. And then much later, that trough extending here over our neighbouring countries, bringing down isolated storms into Friday evening for parts of the Northern Cape and Northwest, and very late over the northern regions. Also very, very late, a slight chance of a few isolated showers falling there in parts of the Karoo, and also overnight into Saturday morning, some drizzle expected to fall over the coastal regions of the Western Cape. We already have a yellow level 2 warning in place, where a few severe storms are likely to reach the central regions and the northern parts of Northwest on Friday night into Saturday morning. So very early fresh to strong south-southeasterly winds calming down later along the coast of the Western Cape, but then northeasterly winds will pick up and blow fresh to strong along the southern and eastern coastline. The wind picking up over the western interior, where we've got a high fire danger in place on Friday. Zooming into the Western Cape, where things will warm up over the northern regions, 34 degrees in Clanwilliam. Also a much warmer day in Cape Town, 27 degrees. We can see winds turning clockwise around that low pressure system sitting over the Western Cape on Friday, heating up part of the Little Karoo with 32 degrees in Oudtshoorn, and the wind picking up in Beaufort West and foggy at first in Graaff-Reinet, later 31 degrees. That northeasterly wind blowing fresh to strong along the coast of the Eastern Cape on Friday. Sunny skies over the interior. It's a warmer day with maximum temperatures in the mid to upper 20s. And then a mostly cloudy day for KwaZulu-Natal, with isolated showers expected on Friday. The wind picking up later in Port Shepstone with maximum temperatures in the lower 20s. It's a much cooler day for Mpumalanga, especially in the low veld, with isolated showers expected in those regions. Partly cloudy conditions for the high veld, with temperatures in the mid 20s. That southerly breeze picking up in the low veld of Limpopo, pushing in lots of cloud, much cooler conditions. So you'll feel that icy breeze with showers falling continuously along the escarpment near Thohoyandou as well as Zeni. Moving to northwest, where we can see the wind picking up at first over the northern and eastern regions, and then on Friday night, isolated storms expected to move over the northern and western parts. In the Northern Cape, we are expecting winds to pick up and blow fresh to strong at times, a gusting wind expected in Uppington, with maximum temperatures still hot in those regions, so a red warning in place for runaway fires in the Northern Cape on Friday. In the Free State, that north-northwesterly wind also picking up from the afternoon, a windy and hot day in Bloemfontein, 30 degrees, so also high fire danger in place for the Free State. And then in Gauteng, a breeze also picking up the afternoon, yet again blowing this time northerly, partly cloudy skies, temperatures in the mid to upper 20s. And then on Saturday, that trough is strengthening, where we're expecting a band of showers and thunderstorms to extend from the Northern Cape, stretching northeastwards over northwest as well as the Free State. I'm sure the Weather Service will issue a warning for severe storms likely in this area, so please be on the lookout for warnings, and we'll also have a more in-detailed forecast for your weekend weather on Friday. And then those stormy conditions stretching a little bit northeastwards on Saturday evening, as well as redeveloping on Sunday. We've got extremely high instability values on Sunday in parts of northwest Gauteng, Limpopo and Mpumalanga, so I'm sure there's also going to be a warning issued for those regions on Sunday. Windy in the west with temperatures in the mid 20s. Well, that's all from me. Have a lovely Friday.